Hey, Doraemon!
Oh, good. Doraemon.
This is a test of the national EAS system. To repeat, this is a test of the national EAS system. The tones you recently heard were the test of the EAS system to keep you informed for emergencies in your area. There's no emergency at this time. To repeat, there's no emergency. If this was the actual national emergency alert, you'd be notified with information on this message to keep your family safe. All primary entry point participants are ordered to relay this message to ensure emergency equipment is carefully functioning. This is a test. Once again, there's no emergency. We now return to regular programming.
Why are you calling me Grandpa? We're like the same age. Wait, you don't know? Doraemon was supposed to tell you all that.